Money, it's something we all chase, spend, save, stress over, but rarely understand. You can have a six-figure income and still feel broke, or you can earn modestly and live in peace. The difference isn't income, it's structure. Most people try to budget with good intentions, but no strategy. They plan in their heads, overspend emotionally, and save what's left, which usually means nothing. The truth? Traditional budgeting fails because it fights human nature. We're emotional spenders living in a logical system. That's why the 80-10-10 budget works. It's behaviorally designed, not just mathematically neat. It aligns with psychology, purpose, and consistency. It's simple: 80% to live, 10% to grow, 10% to give. And that's it. 3 numbers, infinite impact. Here's the core of the 80-10-10 rule. You divide every dollar into 3 jars: living, growth, giving. The 80% living jar is your everyday life: rent, food, bills, entertainment, travel, the comforts of living. This jar ensures your lifestyle stays balanced, not bloated. The 10% growth jar is your future: savings, investments, education, or building something that earns while you sleep. And the 10% giving jar? That's your soul. It's what keeps your relationship with money healthy. When you give, you remind yourself, money is not your master, it's your servant. This framework simplifies life. It turns chaos into clarity. You don't track 40 categories, you manage 3. Every paycheck, every dollar, every win, automatically assigned. No guilt, no guessing, no mental math. The brilliance of 80-10-10 isn't in the math, it's in the mindset. It acknowledges emotion. When you automate living, growing, and giving, you remove decision fatigue. Your brain loves clarity. When every dollar has a mission, your stress drops and your confidence rises. You feel in control, and that feeling builds discipline naturally. This system creates balance, survival, progress, and purpose. You live comfortably, grow steadily, and give generously, without guilt. Over time, your financial habits transform from reactive to intentional. That's not just budgeting, that's financial self-mastery. Start with these simple steps. Step 1, track your income. List every source: salary, side hustle, freelance work, passive income. Step 2, apply the split: 80% for living, 10% for growth, 10% for giving. Step 3, automate it. Set up automatic transfers on payday. Money flows into the right jars without you thinking. Step 4, audit your spending. Break down your 80% living expenses. Where's the waste? Trim it. Redirect that excess to growth or giving. Step 5, visualize it. See your jars filling over time. Watch your goals become reality. Step 6, review monthly. What worked? What didn't? Adjust percentages slightly if life changes, but never abandon the system. Remember, it's not perfection that wins, it's consistency. Case study. Alex. Meet Alex, a 28-year-old with a steady job, earning $4,000 a month, but always broke by week 3. When Alex applied 80-10-10, $3,200 went to living, $400 to growth, $400 to giving. Within 3 months, Alex saw something new: peace, bills paid early, savings growing, and a sense of joy from giving, not guilt. After 5 years, Alex's growth jar became $30,000, all from small, consistent steps. That's the power of automation and patience. Case study: Maria. Maria, a 35-year-old entrepreneur making $10,000 a month. Before, every dollar had a destination, but none had direction. When Maria used 80-10-10, she realized she didn't need more money. She needed more discipline. She capped lifestyle expenses at $8,000, invested $1,000 monthly, and gave $1,000 to causes she cared about. The result? Her business grew 40% in a year, not from luck, but clarity. When you give, you create emotional energy. When you invest, you create financial energy. When both align, you become unstoppable. Case study: Raj, a freelancer with fluctuating income. Some months great, others lean. He still applied 80-10-10, not by dollar amount, but by percentage. When income doubled, his lifestyle didn't. His growth and giving scaled proportionally. After 2 years, Raj had consistent savings, consistent giving, and zero stress. He learned that consistency beats intensity. Visualizing your future. Let's zoom out. Imagine sticking with this system for 10 years. Every month, you allocate, you automate, you stay consistent. In 10 years, you'll live comfortably within your means, build a growth fund worth tens of thousands, make a giving impact that ripples through others' lives. Money becomes your ally, not your anxiety, and the peace that brings, priceless. Advanced tips. Tip 1. Automate everything. Don't rely on willpower. Build a system that works when you don't. Tip 2. Use micro-habits. Track spending 2 minutes a day. Review growth weekly. Celebrate giving monthly. Tiny habits, massive results. Tip 3. Avoid lifestyle creep. As income rises, don't expand the 80%. Grow the tens instead. Tip 4. Think long-term. The compounding effect is your best friend. Small actions repeated over years create freedom beyond imagination. The emotional side of giving. Money without purpose feels empty. Giving connects your financial success to human meaning. It reminds you that wealth is not what you keep, it's what you create. Even $10 can plant a seed. Even $50 can change a life. When you give consistently, you rewire your brain from scarcity to abundance. And abundance attracts opportunity. The more you give, the more you grow, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. The 80% jar isn't about restriction, it's about freedom with boundaries. Inside your living jar, 50% essentials, 20% lifestyle, 10% flexibility. This allows comfort, fun, and flexibility without guilt. A good budget doesn't choke you, it supports your dreams. So plan vacations, enjoy dinners, buy experiences, but know your limit. Freedom within framework equals peace of mind. Run this mental exercise. If you stay consistent for 5 years, your growth jar compounds. If you stay consistent for 10, your giving jar changes lives. Let's project. A $400 monthly growth contribution at 7% annual return equals $70,000 in 10 years. Your giving jar? That's $48,000 of pure impact. Scholarships, donations, or helping family. That's legacy, built one habit at a time. Now stretch your mind 20 years ahead. You're financially independent. You live without fear. Your investments work while you rest. Your giving ripples through generations. And your lifestyle is balanced, peaceful, joyful. The person you are today built that reality. Every small allocation created exponential transformation. The future belongs to the disciplined, not the lucky. The 80-10-10 rule is simple, but mastery is mental. You must believe, money is not evil, it's neutral energy. Wealth is a mirror of discipline, not greed. Giving doesn't decrease wealth, it multiplies gratitude. When you see money as a flow, not a fight, you'll stop fearing it. You'll start directing it. And that's when true freedom begins. Avoid these traps. Lifestyle creep, spending more as you earn more. Ignoring growth, delaying savings until later. Neglecting giving, missing the emotional balance that keeps you motivated. Fix them by automating the fix. Let percentages, not emotions, control your cash flow. Automation is the bridge between intention and execution. Track your wins, no matter how small. Celebrate every milestone. First $1,000 saved, first $100 donated, first month fully on track. Habits shape identity. When you identify as someone who manages money well, your actions naturally align. Financial freedom isn't an event, it's a habit. Something magical happens around year 5. Your stress fades, your confidence rises. You're not reacting to bills anymore, you're designing your life. And you start helping others, teaching, giving, inspiring. That's the true purpose of financial mastery. It's not just about having enough, it's about becoming enough. Imagine this, your jars, decade after decade, fill and overflow. Coins turn into assets, hearts turn into impact. and your life, once chaotic, becomes a masterpiece of discipline and joy. That's the movie you're writing with every decision. You're the author, the director, the hero. 80-10-10 is your script for a life well lived. The call to action. So here's your mission. Set up your jars, automate your allocations, stay consistent, revisit, refine, repeat. Don't wait for a raise, don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Every day you delay, your future self waits one more day for freedom. Final closure. The 80-10-10 rule isn't about numbers, it's about alignment. It's about living with purpose, growing with intention, and giving with heart. 3 simple numbers: 80, 10, 10. One extraordinary outcome: freedom. You don't need $1 million to feel rich. You just need control, purpose, and peace. Start today, because someday your future self will look back and whisper, "Thank you for starting."